As we first told you on KPIX5, trains carrying highly explosive fracked oil have been rolling into the Bay Area. Tonight, Kristen Ayers tells us California isn't ready if something goes wrong.
Is California ready to respond quickly and efficiently in the case of a rail accident?
The hearing convened just days after KPIX5 revealed that these 100-car trains carrying highly explosive Bakken crude oil are already rolling through the Bay Area. Now, emergency responders are scrambling to prepare for the possibility of this. The kind of explosion that ripped through a small town in Quebec, Canada, when the very same type of train that is now transporting Bakken through Richmond derailed, leveling a town and killing 47 people. All told, across the U.S., more than 1 million gallons of crude spilled last year. And alarmingly, after today's hearing, this is what State Senator Jerry Hill concluded.
Today, we are not prepared.
Disaster preparedness officials agreed.
In some areas, we may not have all that we need.
The problem? Money. A staff report shows the state currently has a measly $13,000 set aside in a fund to clean up an inland crude oil spill that would likely cost millions.
I'm very concerned by the charts that you gave us on preparedness, virtually none, response, virtually none.
The fix could come through a 6.5 cent per barrel fee that Governor Brown is proposing on all crude oil in his current budget. If that budget doesn't pass,
There's a potential for a very serious problem and a very disastrous problem.
It's incredibly scary. Now, Kristen, what did the railroads have to say about their disaster preparedness?
There was a railroad spokesman there at the hearings today. He addressed the committee briefly, and he touted a 99% safety record. But a lot of these spills have come down to human error, and the amount of crude coming in is only expected to skyrocket in the next couple of years.
Wow, it's incredible to see that. All right, Kristen, you're going to stay on top of the story, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks.